Hello, lovely people. Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Today, we want to give you a simple but very effective direction to reclaim your lost glory. The materials you are going to use for this particular direction is very common. So I hope that everybody will do this particular direction to reclaim any lost glory that you might have lost in the past. Just regain it with this particular direction. So the items that you are going to use are lemon, udiaba, sea salt, precasa, and momodica charantia leaves. So as I said, the first item you need is the lemon. The lemon is very common. If you go to those people who sell fruits and tell them you need the lemon, they can easily give you. Please, the lemon is different from the limes. Lemons are usually big, or they are bigger than the limes, and then they normally have rough skin. So kindly ensure that that is what you are going to use for this particular direction. And then also, don't use limes. If you have lime, you cannot use it for this particular direction. And then if you also have lemon juice, you cannot use it for this particular direction. You are going to use the lemon in its natural state. So please kindly ensure that you go by what I'm saying in this particular video. The next item you are going to use for this particular direction is the odiaba or odi seed. In English, it is called the odi seed. If you tell those market women who sell precasa and stuff, or those herb sellers, they usually have it there and they are selling it. So you can use it for this particular direction. We have the male and then we have the female. For this particular direction, you can use any of them for the direction. So any of them that you get, you can easily use it for this particular direction. So even if you are outside Ghana, I can post it to you. So if you cannot get the odiaba or the odi seed at wherever you are, you can WhatsApp the number that you see on the screen and I can post some through the Ghana Post to you to do this particular useful direction. So we are going to use about 7 of the lemons and then the 7 of the odiaba or the odi seed. And then also you are going to use 7 precasa or 7 aridan fruits. And then also you are going to use the momodica charantia leaves. So momodica charantia is very common. That one, when you go to those people who sell the herbs, you can easily get it. You can also get it from any nearby bush. Places that they just weeded. If you go there, you can easily get the momodica charantia leaves. That one, sometimes snakes are there because they eat the fruit of this particular herb. So when you are going there, please be very careful so that you are not bitten by any snake. It is preferable that you get it by yourself. But please, if you cannot get it, you can easily go to those people who sell herbs to get it. If you are also such that you cannot get it at all, that one too, you can use the other 4 herbs that you see, or the other 4 items you see on the screen to do this particular direction. So the precasa, for that one, a lot of you know it already because the precasa direction or the precasa bath that I posted its video on this channel, it has done a lot of good to people and they are always bringing testimony. So please, if you have not watched that video, kindly check the link to that video in the comment section of this video to do that particular direction too, because that one boosts your business and then it also drives away witchcraft manipulation and stuff from you. Those people who are always battling spiritual cobwebs and stuff, if you do the precasa direction always, those things will leave your life. If you're also having spiritual sickness and you do that particular direction, it is going to leave you. A lot of good things come with the precasa direction or the precasa bath. So please, if you have not done that particular bath before, you can click on the link under the comment section to do that particular direction. So all that I've said is that you need 7 lemons, 7 odiaba or 7 odi seeds, and then you need 7 precasa or 7 iron fruits, and then any quantity of the Momodica charantia leaves or the bitter lemon leaves, the bitter melon. So the bitter melon leaves is what you call the Momodica charantia. That is what we are going to use for this particular direction. And then you are also going to get sea salt. So the sea salt, you can use about 2 to 3 tablespoons, depending on the quantity of water that you think that you are going to bath. If you are going to bath a lot of water, you are going to use about 3 spoons. But if you think that the water is very small, you are going to use just only 2. So you are going to soak these 5 items or 4 items. If you don't get the Momodica charantia leaves, you are going to soak only 4 items. But it is very, very advisable that you get all the items. So what you are going to do is that you soak it for about 24 hours or 3 days. So after 3 days, what you do is that you, after your normal bath in the evening, you fetch some of the water. You're not going to add any other water to it. You are just going to use it to rinse your body. Please, you are just going to rinse your body with it. Then you are not going to have sex during this particular bath. And then also, if you are in your menstruation, you cannot do this particular direction. So you are going to do it for 7 nights. If you can do it in the midnight, fine, you can do it. You are going to do it for 7 nights. And then you'll be praying. Whatever you believe in, you'll be praying for God to restore your lost glory to you. And then I can assure you that you are surely going to bring your testimony. So please kindly ensure that you do this particular direction. Kindly do it with any bucket that has a lid so that you cover it. So if you don't cover it well, it may attract some other insect into it. So please kindly ensure that you get something with a lid and cover it very well. If you cannot also get this, but you are also having spiritual problems and stuff, you can also order for the spiritual soap and oil, and I can send it to you wherever you are. Thank you very much for watching this video. In our next video, we shall talk about a lot of things that will benefit you. So please kindly subscribe to the channel and then follow DeRemedist on Facebook, TikTok, and then all the social media platforms. If you also need the sea salt, you can also order it from Amazon with the link that I've provided under the video. If you are also in need of the precursor or the iodine fruits, you can also order it from the link that I've provided in the comment section of the video and then the description of the video. Thank you very much. Bye.
Please kindly remember to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and then the notification button. Thank you very much.